The Oscar winner, 39, turned heads in her all-black ensemble, as she readies for the premiere of her Apple TV Plus miniseries with Jared Leto. Anne Hathaway has once again proven she is a style icon for the ages. The Oscar winner, 39, looked like she just stepped off the runway when she was spotted in Manhattan on Wednesday, March 9. Donning a super chic, all-black ensemble, Anne was all smiles as she continued her promotional tour for her upcoming Apple TV Plus miniseries WeCrashed. Anne's Big Apple wardrobe featured a simple black top with matching leather pants. She accentuated the high-end look with a wool overcoat, black studded boots and an oversized designer handbag. To finish it off, Anne dared to impress with a luxurious scarf and sparkling gold bracelets. The Academy Award darling stars opposite of Jared Leto in the new drama WeCrashed. The pair play infamous real-life couple Adam and Rebecca Newman, who are behind the company WeWork, which provides shared workspaces for startups and other enterprises. It made headlines in 2019 for its failed attempt to go public and the ousting of Adam as CEO. Related gallery. Celebs in all-black leather looks, photos. In between projects, Anne has been happily focusing on home life. She and her husband Adam Schulman recently enjoyed a European getaway with their sons Jonathan, 5, and Jack, 2. In rare photos of the brood, Anne was seen hugging Jack while touring Rome. The couple are very private about sharing their life to the public, which made the sweet snaps quite a treat for fans. In fact, Anne and Adam were so private about the birth of Jack, the news had only spread after she was seen with a baby carrier in December 2021. When she first announced the pregnancy in June 2019 via Instagram, the Dark Knight Rises star opened up about the struggles she had conceiving. It's not for a movie. Number 2. All kidding aside, for everyone going through infertility and conception hell, please know it was not a straight line to either of my pregnancies. Sending you extra love, she captioned a black and white mirror selfie.